Guys, welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to show you how you can use the newly launched Codex from OpenAI for free, along with the along with our anti-gravity. That means if your anti-gravity or Google Gemini gets stuck somewhere, you can get extra help from GPT 5.3 Codex, which is now the best coding model on paper. If we now look at the terminal bench score, it's 87.3 percentage. Whereas if you look at Opus here, it's also terminal bench, or this is the latest Opus 4.6. It's only 65.4 percentage. So as you can see on paper, this is good. But personally, for me, I would still prefer Claude Sonnet 4.5 over any of the other models because that's comparatively priced and it performs very well for my needs. So if you are into coding, give preference to Sonnet 4.5. If you want even better performance, for Opus 4.6 is the best model for coding. So on paper, it might seem like GPT 5.3 Codex is better, but from my testing, it still feels like Opus 4.6 performs much better than the 5.3 version. So let me show you how you can get this for free. So yesterday they announced this model. There is no API available for this, but we can still use it with our anti-gravity or any VS Code models. So let me show you. As you can see in the availability and details, it's mentioned that it's available with the ChatGPT paid plans. Everywhere you can use Codex, right? This is my free account. Let me first show you by logging into like a free account and see if we can just access it. But if you even have a Go account, which is actually free in India and some other parts of the world, it's also free. All you have to do is just click on the upgrade button and verify your payment gateway. Then you will be able to upgrade your account. So that's the simple way to get a pro account. How you can use it with anti-gravity, right? So in anti-gravity, you can add extensions, right? So here you need to type in like kilo code, since that's what I am using, kilo code. So I have already installed it. Otherwise, you will see an install button like this. Just click on install it. And if you already don't have an account, just create an account. It's free. So once you have the account, what you need to do is you need to create a profile here by clicking on this button, right? Or you can just go here, then click on this provider, then just click create a profile. So let's say Codex, right? Codex. So just create a profile for our Codex model. Then what you need to do is search for Chat GPT. So you can link your Chat GPT account with this. So sign into OpenAI Codex. I'm just showing you with the free account. So this is my free account. This is the normal free account. I'm just clicking on continue here. As you can see, the authentication is now successful. So what I am doing is I am signed in, right? So as you can see, now I have like a weekly free limit. So it resets every 7 days, and you have all these models to choose from, including GPT-5 Codex and even the latest GPT 5.3 Codex version. It has got a 400K token window, and you can also adjust the reasoning here. Just click on save, and let's just see. You can verify whether you have the correct model by looking at here. It says GPT 5.3 Codex, right? Let me just add like hi, see whether it's working. Okay, so as you can see, since I am on a free account, it's not working. So let me again go to my account and again sign out and sign into my paid account. And as you can see, again, this is the ChatGPT Go account, which I absolutely got for free. Again, I'm just clicking on continue here. So I am back to my paid account, right? So as you can see, it is a Go account. So I have already used up my limits. I did try it, but it's not really that fast. And yeah, once you are there, you can just say hi and it will actually work if you have the limits. So suppose, see, it's already responding, right? So even with 100% usage, it's already responding. So I think there is a bit of juice left with this. So how I would recommend you use this is, suppose if you get stuck in some task here in our Gemini 3 Pro or 3 Flash, and then you can hand that task over to GPT 5.3 Codex and ask it to like review the code and fix that bug for you. So you can just use it. If Gemini is unable to do the task, then you can hand over the task to GPT 5.3. Hopefully it will fix your issues. That's how I am doing it right now, and for free. So yeah, I have also linked Kilo Code with a Docker. Earlier it was not possible, but thanks to the new Opus, I was able to do this. Let me just quickly show you. If you click on the agent behavior, you can see the MCP server, right? See, I have linked it with Docker, and I have like 31 tools that's already working with the kilocode as well. So both this Antigravity and kilocode is sharing the same MCP structure. So no overhead for me in terms of like the CPU usage. So everything is working perfectly with the setup. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe. Hey!